Qeema Aloo recipe. Ingredients: Qeema, onion, green and black cardamom, black pepper, cloves, tomato, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, salt red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, potato. Make a fine paste. Heat the oil in cooker. Add onion. Add whole spices. Add Qeema mince. Add salt. Add the paste. Cover the lid for a few minutes. Add roughly chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Add water. Close the lid for 15 minutes. Cut potato in cubes. Open the lid. Add potatoes. Let the cooker pack till you get 2 whistles. Add coriander leaves. Ready to eat. Thanks for watching.